messages from the past unwind. Old voices drift across my mind. Time can bend, but hearts still know where once we met, the spark can grow. Every word we left behind still hums within the ties that bind. Echoes of connection calling me home. Through static and silence, I'm not alone. The circle returns, the stories align. Old souls remember across space and time. The rhythm shifts, yet feels the same. A quiet spark, a whispered name. The distance fades, the past replays. In every heart, the memory stays. Every word we left behind still hums within the ties that bind. Echoes of connection calling me home. Through static and silence, I'm not alone. The circle returns, the stories align. Old souls remember across space and Some bonds don't break, they only sleep, waiting for time they like to keep. In every mind, in every friend, connection finds its way again. Echoes of connection calling me home. Through static and silence, I'm not alone. The circle returns, the stories align. Old souls remember across space and time.